Ni muciini uyu uri estate-ini ya Everest Juja kaunti-ini ya Kiambu kuria giko giki kia unyamu kihanikeire kuria Evans Kamau wa ukuru wa miaka 37 ekwirwo guthecanga na kuraga mutumia wake Esther Jegenyaga kuria aya eri marari mutaratara-ini wa ndigano. Kurigana na aria mataririe giko giki Kamau ekinyirie muciini uyu mathaa ma utuku na guthoga thitima undu ucio gitiga mucii uyu nduma-ini undu uyu kimuhe mweke mwega wa gutabania thariko yake.
My sister had disagreed with the husband, so they were going through a divorce, and we are speculating, we are not sure, probably because of property. That is why it happened. Custody of the kids was already awarded to the mother, but now the property probably would be now the issue.
Kamauri rakoretwo agirio ni igoti gwekinyia muciini uyu acokire gutharikira mutumia wake kuria amuthecangire na kahiu maita 17.
This was pure murder. Whoever did this had malice. Had malicious intent.
One of my sister's sons was asleep, so he didn't go to that bedroom. He went straight to the master bedroom, did what he did in the master bedroom, and then came down asking for auntie. So he probably even wanted to finish off the house help.
Kurigana na muru wa nyina na Esther mwariwe wa ukuru wa miaka 12 niwe wacokire kumenyithia aria marigainie aria mambikire mihango ya kumutwara thibitari-ini.
The daughter, the 11-year-old, got to my sister, and my sister told her, go call go call the neighbors. So believe she ran to the neighbors, called them. That's when they tried to rescue her. Mwena-ini wake DCI wa Juja Richard Mwaura augite mwekwirwo ni arikitie guikio ngono na gukinyio igoti-ini kuria riu kuheanitwo thikũ 7 cia uthuthuria.
Investigations are ongoing, and we believe that we'll get justice done to this family. The said suspect was taken to court on Wednesday. We did a miscellaneous application. The court has given us 7 days to finish our investigation.
Aya eri marari na ciana 3, 2 cia tuhi na umwe wa kairetu aria ni ukuru wa miaka 2, miaka 7 na miaka 11. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV mohoro gitauri twara kwa ni bataru wa Mwangi.